Good morning, Year 2. I hope you are okay. So this is your maths lesson, not maths, phonics lesson for today. So I should be saying good afternoon. It's actually the afternoon when I'm recording this. I'm just getting organised now. So I promised you a phonics lesson for this afternoon. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, we are going to have a look at the alternative spelling here for air. Okay, let's see if it's going to let me do it. It's not going to let me do this. But let's have a look at the air sound. Airport. Airy, ferry. Air, chair. There's other words that also about the air sound. Can you have a look here? Air, care. This looks like the word doesn't it? If you're reading it in a word, if you covered up that k there, it says but here it says air. So it says care, stare, rare, like a rare diamond. Let's have a look at another one. So it looks here like it's the ear, but it's not. If we read it here, it says bear, wear, tear. It doesn't say weir, does it? It doesn't say bear, wear, tear. Makes the air sound. For here, it doesn't say tear. It says tear, tearing up some paper. But it could also say tear for teardrops. So we've got to get used to these alternative ways of having the air. Look, have a look here. There, aeroplane, vary. That says air as well there, but we can also think that says are. Keep going through these and I'm going to write some of these down. Let's have a look here. Which grapheme do you need to add to the end of each word? Also, so let's have a look at what these are. Fairy, bear, hair, aeroplane, chair. So we'll go through these again and then that's what activity you're going to do at the end, okay? Let's have a look. Let's go to the beginning. So this air here, I want to write this one down, the A-I-R. Write that down on your piece of paper now, okay? It's normally found at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a word. So we've got here the word airport, fairy, chair. You don't need to write these words down, just write the air, the word that says air. Let's have a look at this one. We've got here A-R-E, and it's usually found at the end of a word, and that also makes the air sound. So care, stare, rare. Let's have a look at another one. Can you write this one down? It actually looks like the ear trigraph, doesn't it? But it says air, air. So bear, wear, tear. So if you can write that air down as well for me, please. Let's have a look at the next one. Here. Air, air. So we've got there. So like there. So E-I-R. We've got aeroplane, which is A, E, and R. We've got the word vary, which is like vary. There's a variety there of fruits. These fruits vary because they're all different. A, R, for that air sound there. It's very confusing, isn't it? Let's have a look at this here then. Which grapheme do you need to add at the end of each of these words? Okay, so we've got the air here, air, air, air. Look at the picture and write down the words. This one here though isn't here, is it? You've already written it down somewhere else. Let's have a look where you've written it. Oh no, It's a different picture actually, Mrs. Cockram. I was thinking of it as being an aeroplane, but I think we need the word for this one is airport. Oh, I'm going to come up because you might be able to see them here. I don't want you to see them. So I'll give you a minute to do that, and then I'm going to get you to write a sentence using our air sound. Okay, so if you haven't finished that, just pause this video and then you can carry on with that. Okay, and then we're going to write a sentence. We're going to read the sentence first together, then we are going to write the sentence together, okay? So we'll read this sentence. Let's read it together. The bear went on the aeroplane. Full stop. The bear went on the aeroplane. Okay. What I'd like you to do now is oh, my screen just went a bit funny then. I would like you, we're going to write another sentence now. You've read this one, we're not going to write this one. You can have a go at writing it if you want to pause this video and write this one. Can we underline as well the air sounds that we've got in here? Oh, yeah. Got the air digraphs written down there. Okay, let me come up with another sentence that you're going to do on your own now. And you are going to take a picture of it and upload it to Weed Up for Mrs. Cochran to check. Okay, let's come up with another sentence. Let me think. Okay. So we've got the bear went on the aeroplane. Okay, so now I'm going to have here the bear went to the airport. The bear went to, no, actually not the bear, the fairy. We'll have the fairy this time because we've already had the bear. The fairy went to the airport. The fairy went to the airport. If you want to extend that sentence, you could write to get on the aeroplane. Or no, the fairy went to the airport and got on the aeroplane. That's an extra one to include, okay? The sentence is, the fairy went to the airport. The fairy went to the airport. 6 words. If you want to extend that, you can use the conjunction and instead of a full stop at the end, and write and went on the aeroplane. Okay? So I'd like you to write that down now, and then you come back to me and take a picture of it, upload it to WeDuck, or send it to me in a message on WeDuck if your grown-ups can do that, okay? That would be amazing. Happy learning, everybody, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your afternoon. See you later, bye.